So I want to point something out. This dude killed a bird on a stock 5.0 Ford F-150, right? What is he gonna kill now with this? Possibly a TRX?
TRX
or the new Raptor, maybe?
New Raptor.
Yeah.
She's alive.
She's alive.
Happy.
So what do you got here? It's a 2021.
Yeah. 2021 Whipple Supercharger. I'm glad I got it. I ended up really lucky with it. Definitely got a story for that.
Well, do you mind sharing the story with us?
Long story short,
She lives. Nice. We could probably close it now.
she's alive.
She's alive.
Happy.
So what do you got here? It's a 2021.
Yeah. 2021 Whipple Supercharger. I'm glad I got it. I ended up really lucky with it. Definitely got a story for that.
Well, do you mind sharing the story with us?
Long story short,
Let's walk away.
Make it a short video. Ended up being on Facebook forums and everything, and it's one of those things you see and you're like, okay, this can't be real. You know, there's somebody was doing a giveaway. Actually, a guy that I've talked to back and forth now that I've ended up with, you know, being the winner of it. On Facebook, signed up for a giveaway. He was doing 50 spots for, you know, a certain amount of so much money, and I was just like, one day I was went through Facebook, seen the post, went back a couple hours later because it was one of those things where you just skip back because you're like, ain't no way that's gonna be real, and come back, and after I looked at it after a couple hours later, there was already so many people on it, maybe 10 to so spots left on it. So I was like, okay, I gotta do it. Something told me I gotta do it, and I sent him money, signed up for a certain number. I think the number was either 7 or 11 or something.
They're both good numbers.
Yeah, they're both good numbers. Some of the better looking numbers, I think. Anyway, I can't remember exactly the time frame that went by, but a day, we'll say just a day or so went by. Later that next day, that night, night goes on, about to head to bed, lights off, you know, eyes getting heavy, and heard phone buzzing on the table beside me, and you look over and it's not a normal phone call because they were calling me off of Facebook Messenger, and you're like, okay, well, that's different. I got to answer that. Ended up being his name's Aaron Gomez, and ended up being him. And at first, my first thought was like, okay, there's no way this is going to happen, you know, before I even picked up the phone. But then it was like, okay, maybe he's calling just to thank me for entering the giveaway, you know, nothing special. But he called and was like, hey, is this Gage? And I said, yes, sir. And I said, well, he said, well, I was just going to make sure and everything, and run by a few things. And he said, well, I got some good news. You're now a proud owner of the Whipple Supercharger kit. And I was like, man, you've got to be kidding me. I was holding
And it's real.
It's real. It's on.
And it's a stage 2.
Yeah.
Stage 2 Whipple.
775. We're going to put the power down, hopefully now.
Oh, yeah. Well,
it was definitely an unreal feeling. I was wore out that night, tired. I was definitely up and excited after that. I think I stayed up for another hour after that.
oh yeah, I'm sure I would have stayed up all night till we install it. You know what I mean? But it's running good. It's we're letting it warm up. He did get the catch can, which is recommended. We're just warming it up. Gonna check all the fluids, and we're gonna take it on the first spin. And is this your first time driving a Whipple truck or Whipple anything?
Yeah, Whipple anything.
Because you do have a supercharged Dodge Ram.
I do have a supercharged Dodge Ram, and
which might be for sale. So
maybe after driving this, it might be. Yeah.
So I want to point something out. This dude killed a bird on a stock 5.0 Ford F-150. Right? What is he gonna kill now with this? Possibly a TRX? Or the new Raptor, maybe?
New Raptor.
Yeah, because the new Raptor, I think, is at what, 720 or something?
Yeah.
And this is 775 at the crank, so about 640 at the wheels on 93 pump gas. And yeah, I mean, I'm sure in the future you can even turn it up, you know? Yeah. You got plenty to go. We're about to clean up because I think I made a mess here. Is it raining? So every time I do an install, it rains. So if you want it to rain, just bring your Whipple and I'll install it and it will rain for sure. I'm just saying how every time it rains.
Yeah, it rains.
When it rains, it pours. And it didn't rain all day until we actually finished.
Yeah. It was supposed to rain off and on all day, but then it didn't.
It waited until, you know, we're done.
It made it all come down at once.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes. Yeah, boy.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll keep them 20 miles to the gallon. Doubtful, but maybe.
It depends how you drive.
Yeah.
It's the miles per gallon.
Miles per gallon.
From now on. And it's still raining, but another happy customer. Later.